guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Airdrop. If you are coming across to the channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on notification icon. Anytime I drop updates like this, you will easily get notification. Here I have so many videos that's still useful. Go ahead and check them out. I post videos on how to make money online, crypto drops, and other useful information. I do drop more on my Telegram channel, so you can join both YouTube and Telegram so that you get information at the right time. In this particular video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to join this particular airdrop that will help us to earn passive income. And this airdrop has limited days, just 10 days. You will be able to submit your details. Now click on the link below in the description of this video. Is going to bring you down to my community on Telegram. When you are here, this is the link you're going to copy. You can see it, airdrop.10.xyz. So go ahead, copy this particular link. Once you copy the link, go straight to your browser. I'm going to use Mrs. Browser. So once you're Mrs. Browser, over here, paste the link, you just copy. It's going to load the site just like this. This is how the site will look like. So when you are here, register for 10 airdrop. This is the name, 10 airdrop. You enter from here, click on this to enter. First, when you are here, you are asked to connect your wallet. If you're using Mrs. Browser, it's going to be easy for you. I use Mrs. Browser. I connected my wallet already, so I'm going to go straight to connect my MetaMask since it's already registered on Mrs. Browser. So now I'm going to allow it to process. So over here, I will be able to put a password. So I haven't done this. I will unlock this and click on connect right here. So while it's connected, I will be able to proceed to the next. Okay, they rejected this. I will try again. Let me refresh this page. So I'm going to connect it again. I don't know why it was rejected. So I will connect again. Now it's trying to connect again. Okay guys, I have been able to connect this. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on next. Now when you click on next, it's going to ask you to connect your social media. I've attempted to connect this before. What I just need to do is to click on this and you connect your social media. You can as well skip it. You can see my social media is connected. I tried to attempt it and it was connected. Then you can see now Twitter is connected, Discord is connected. Go ahead and connect and confirm just like this. So when you do this correctly, you are going to get this link successfully. So your account will be linked. You can see now everything is successful. With this now, you will be positioned for upcoming airdrop. So this airdrop has potential of giving us up to 1,000 or even more. We can earn up to $1,000 with this particular project or even more. So now you can share the video and invite your friends. You don't need the referral code. You just give them the link. They will be able to submit their details, which I just did now. Thanks for watching.